So I'm going to start and finish this walkthrough tour at this view because it's so amazing. I'm in Torre del Mar, in Calle del Mar. This apartment has 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, air conditioning in all bedrooms and the living room. Location absolutely perfect. Don't think you could get any better. The parades actually come up the road, so if you look onto the website you'll see that there are photographs of the parades and the view that you have. So this bedroom, it's got a big large wardrobe, double bed in there. It's a large double bed. This is the bathroom, walk-in shower, large sink. It's bedroom number 2. Again, as I said, all bedrooms have air conditioning. So this is actually a bed with a pull-out bed underneath, which does go up and does fit in here. So you can fit a double bed in here, no problem. The new air conditioning, the wardrobe, and then the 3rd bedroom, which has got a very large bed in it. I think this is a 160 width bed. All the windows are double glazed with blackout blinds. And then this is the living room, kitchen. So there's a washer dryer, electric oven, electric hob. This room's actually, it's a very large room. So originally this would have had the terrace, and the terrace is being enclosed, but the current owners have put in this amazing window system. Basically you slide the windows shut, as you can see I'm doing this with one hand, and then you slide them along, and then it slides all the way down like this, so you can actually enclose. Very easy. As you saw, I just did that with one hand. So you can have the outside inside, but you also benefit from having the larger inside space. Look at those views. You can actually see, I don't know if you can see it on my video, but you can see the lighthouse at Torrox from here as well. Amazing. If you're interested in finding out more about this beautiful 3-bedroom apartment in Torre del Mar, contact us. It's listed exclusively with BluCee Real Estate.